Today we will look at using the force sensor. This is a sensor that will detect simple touch and also measure force that is applied to the sensor. Let's start by creating a new project. Open your Spike Prime software and click Spike Prime. Click New Project. Let's name our project. Name the project Force Sensor and click Python. Click Create. Highlight line 7 and delete it. We will start by initializing our motors. Add the following to line 6. Motor underscore pair equals motor pair, CD. We are identifying what we will be using and where these motors are plugged in. The left motor is in port C and the right motor is plugged in to port D. We will now initialize the force sensor. Use the following on line 7. Force equals force sensor, A. We are stating the fact that we will use the force sensor and it is plugged in to port A. Skip a few lines and let's begin the rest of our program. Add the following to line 10. Motor underscore pair. Start, 0, 20. The motors will start, and be running at 0 degrees, or straight. The speed it will be traveling at will be at 20%. The next line will include force. Wait underscore until underscore pressed. The motors will continue to move until the force sensor is pressed. Now we need to identify what will happen when that force sensor is pressed on the next line. We will have the motors stop when that sensor is pressed. So add the following. Motor underscore pair. Stop. Let's test out our new project. Connect your hub by clicking Connect. Find your hub and click Connect. Before pressing play, place an object in front of your robot so that the force sensor is pressed at some point. The robot will begin moving forward, and as soon as the force sensor is engaged, the motors should stop. Good luck, press play. Let's make a few changes. We will start by deleting lines 10 through 12. Now that we have deleted these lines, let's add a few new ones. On line 10, add the following. Force. Wait underscore until underscore pressed. This line will wait for the sensor to be pressed. Add motor underscore pair. Start, 0, 20. Once the force sensor is pressed, the motors will start. It will move straight at 20% speed. Add the following to line 12. Force. Wait underscore until underscore released. This line will wait for the force sensor to be released before moving on to the next line. The last line we will add is motor underscore pair. Stop. This line will stop the motors once the force sensor has been released. Let's connect our hub to try it out. Find your hub and click Connect. Before we hit play, consider what will happen. The robot will wait until the sensor is pressed. Once it has been pressed, it will start to move. It will continue to move as long as the sensor is being pressed. Once the sensor is released, the motors will stop and the robot will no longer move. That's it. You're done. Press the yellow play button to run the program.